Choo-choo, go. Here we go. The unlucky silver mine. The warden. Yep, follow Mom. Yeah, here we go. Whoa. Up in the boat, buddy. Alright, Connor. Grab your gun. Connor, we're going into a flooded mine. Get ready. What do you have in your hand? Gun? Get those prisoners. Shoot the target.
Come on, you lazy bums. Get to work.
Yeah. You get some guys back there?
I don't know.
You're doing good. Get those targets. Yeah, shoot, shoot, shoot.
I wish I could go on this ride again. I like it. Shut up, Bill.
Get him, get him, get him. Shoot. They're behind you, Connor. How many you got so far? Whoa, 414.
Bad guy.
All right, get your gun ready. Those targets.
TNT, get the TNT.
Shoot it. Look ahead, look ahead. More TNT, shoot it.
I shot the TNT.
Shoot, shoot, shoot. Look up, Connor.
Wait, gotta get up. The guard wakes up. Hurry up, Brent. Get up. The guard wakes up.
Caden, did you shoot the bad guys?
Did you shoot them all?
Connor, did you shoot the bad guys? Connor, how'd you do?
14 and 400.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot.
14 and 400.
Outside.
Dad, I got 14, 400.
John said he couldn't swim. Under the water, under a rock. Here's what's left of poor old Doc. Bob went away, owed more than he could pay. Back in the darkness. Alright, I think that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
How'd you like it?
Good.
Awesome. Good shooting, buddy.